Whether she's tending to the flowers in the garden or exploring new hiding spots in her backyard, Emma finds delight in the simple pleasures of childhood. Emma lives on the Taiwan Adventist College campus. As Emma approaches her 5th birthday, her parents' hearts are filled with a mixture of joy and uncertainty. The lack of an Adventist elementary school in Taiwan poses a challenge for them.
As you can see that we actually only have academy here, like middle school, high school, and college here on this campus. And then we don't really have Adventist in elementary school here.
The current situation requires Adventist parents to send their kids to other schools.
We cannot find any schools that teach Adventist belief and education, the holistic education we always value at the church. So I think this is the appealing to all Adventist parents in Taiwan. We're really eager to have Adventist in elementary school that can be established in Taiwan.
The new elementary school project aims to lead young people to Christ.
我觉得教育要从小开始。
Education should start early. The Bible advises us to teach children so that they do not stray from their path as they grow. In this rapidly changing era, with many external influences, we aim to nurture children from primary school, teaching them a reverence for God and follow Him from a young age. This way, as they grow up, they will remember these important lessons.
Through your generous 13th Sabbath offering this quarter, we can make this vision a reality.
I believe that the Adventist elementary school can help my daughter to learn the right value and also to help her character development in the future.
Please pray for Emma and other kids who are hoping for an Adventist elementary school in Taiwan.
Thank you for supporting Mission Offering. 谢谢大家的支持。
I want to go to the Adventist school! Yeah!